action.
Yep. Day one dinner.
Day one dinner.
The battery might die soon. If it does, I'll let you know.
Okay. Hey guys, so today is chicken stir fry with vegetables and wild and brown rice. I'm just about to put the wild and brown rice in the pot. There's a little bit of lentils and stuff here to boil. And I've boiled some extra water, and I'm going to put the chicken in the extra water to start rehydrating it. For every meal, I've done a spice mix for each meal. And this is extra spices. There's already some in the chicken, but I've got, because it's going to be a curry coconut stir fry, so I've got some sesame seeds and a curry spice mix that I made. So that's step one. Oh my god, it's working. It's working. That's the first time I've actually turned the camera on. Okay, part two of Forest Gourmet. So I've put the rice to the side just to let it keep soaking. And then I put the chicken with the spices in some hot water, and I just put it on here for a while to start to kind of rehydrate it faster. So there's the sesame seeds and stuff in there now, and I'm going to put that aside just to let it keep soaking. And now, time to stir fry the vegetables. The oil that I'm using is actually a mix of sesame seed oil, coconut oil, and ghee. Kind of separated now, but that's okay. And pour a little bit of that in. And start stir frying these vegetables. There's celery, there's peppers, and there's onions. Whatever was in the fridge. Shit, I hope that's nothing. I packed with me because everything else is going to be going in storage. So this is what we got. I'm going to let that cook for a while and then keep going. Alright, the light's kind of fading. I don't know if you can see, but I've stir fried the vegetables. And I'm going to add coconut milk. I'm going to try and add coconut milk. The whole thing. This is a ridiculous amount of food, but whatever. We'll get through it. There's still a little bit in there. Anyway, so I'm going to add that. Let it boil in. I've got some Thai curry paste. I'm going to add that. And then once that's combined, I'm going to add the chicken to it. And then dinner will be ready. It's going to be so good. It smells amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's 9 o'clock. The storm should be rolling in any time now. You see this?
Yeah.
Coconut curry rice stir fry. I love you. What's all that stuff? Coconut milk?
Hang on. No, that's coconut milk. So there's some green onions.
Oh, green onions.
Yeah. And then I put a little bit of soy sauce in the thing.
Oh, she knows me so well. You want some of the soy sauce, or can I have it all?
You can have it.
Oh, yeah, buddy! What?
So salty.
Give me that. Oh my god, it's so good.
Is it alright? Yeah?
It's so good. I love you.
I know.
You know? Good.